Hi, I'm Cece. Today, we'll show you how to design a basketball hoop in CrownCAD. First, insert the parts needed for this assembly. We'll use the basketball hoop base as the foundation and assemble the remaining parts accordingly. This assembly consists of 9 components. We mainly use the Coincident, Distance, Parallel, and Concentric command to complete the assembly. Now that the basketball hoop is successfully assembled, let's edit its appearance. The basketball hoop is now finished. Now you can use your phone's camera to scan the QR code to view the model. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.